Why are Instagram notes option not showing? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram notes feature is not showing up. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, for example, if you're aware, Instagram recently rolled out a new feature that is called Instagram notes, and if you go to the DMs page from the top right, you'll be able to see many people writing stuff next to their profile. These are basically called Instagram notes. So what if you want to activate the Instagram notes feature yourself, but you're not being able to do so? Well, the very first thing you have to check is whether or not you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. So you can do this by launching your respective app store and then typing in Instagram, check whether or not the Instagram app has an update. If it does, make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version. And even if you do that, it's not working, what you can try to do is just simply long press on the Instagram app icon, tap on the I button, and then just go to the option called storage, clear cache files, and also possible that try to clear the data. Once you clear cache files and data, just try to connect your phone to a VPN. What virtual private network does is that just make sure that you connect it to a VPN where the Instagram notes feature is available. After you connect it to a VPN service, you can go ahead and open Instagram and then try to relog into your account, and this time most likely you'll be able to see the notes feature, as you can see in my case as well. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually fix if the Instagram notes are not showing up. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.